Chop.
I chop meat.
Peel.
She peel the potatoes.
Pour.
I pour milk in the glass.
Bake.
She bake cookies.
Cook.
I cook dinner.
Mix.
I mix milk and oil.
Stir.
I stir the soup.
Boil.
I boil potatoes.
Grill.
She grills chicken.
Spoonful. Spoonful. Fry.
I fry cakes.
Season.
She seasoned the soup with salt, pepper and garlic.
Bite.
I take a small bite of apple.
Lick.
The child licked the ice cream.
Swallow.
She swallows the food.
Drink.
I drink orange juice.
Sip.
The boy took a small sip of alcohol.
Chew.
He chews the apple well for better digestion.
Gulp.
He gulped the milk.
Chug.
He chugs a beer.
Nibble.
She nibbles cookies.
Appetite.
She lost appetite for salads.
Overeat.
She overeats and gain weight.
Gobble.
I gobble noodles.
Menu.
I already saw the menu.
Slurp.
He slurps noodles slowly.
Gorge.
He gorges the noodles very fast.
Munch.
He munches cake.
Delicious.
He eats a delicious meal.
Vomit.
He vomited seriously after eating.
Squeeze.
He squeezes orange to get juice.
Spread.
She spreads butter on the bread.
Squish.
He squishes the hamburger.
Poke.
She pokes the last piece of bread.
Spill.
The coffee spilled unexpectedly.